American charged in Major Kingston Gun Bust. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Now it's a deep dive into gun trafficking and its implications. This person is a Jamaican born with American citizenship. America cannot send them back because they're American citizen. But Jamaica will definitely keep them and serve them what them deserve. Now, this man is an American citizen who also holds Jamaican citizenship and has been charged with trafficking prohibited weapons in one of the largest firearms busts in Jamaica in recent history. The bust took place on February 17 this year at the Kingston Wharf, where investigators from the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division and the Jamaica Customs Agency intercepted a shipment containing an alarming amount of firearms. This included a staggering total of 66 firearms, 50 of which were handguns and 16 were rifles, along with over 4,500 rounds of ammunition. The sheer volume and type of weapons discovered underscore the serious nature of this incident, raising questions about gun trafficking and the broader implications for safety and security in the region. Now you tell me, say somebody they'll pick up so much guns and just ship them off to Jamaica without having contacts at the wharf, without getting assurance that, listen, these come through and we will push it through for you. It's so unfortunate that maybe who his link is either checking out or maybe never worked that day. But it's only a fool would send all them something they out or ship them out without getting have some inside connection. Now them catch up on this man, them need to find out who the inside connection is. The firearms were concealed within 2 barrels, sparking immediate concern among law enforcement officials regarding the methods used by traffickers to bypass security measures at customs. So they don't normally open the barrel and check them. Authorities report that the shipment originated in the United States, adding another layer of complexity to the investigation. He's an American citizen, so they're going probably maybe have to contact the American embassy too. This man in a hot water up to a neck hole. The international dimension of this case highlight the challenges faced by nations combating the illegal arms trade, particularly in a world where traffickers are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their operations. Guns coming from America to Jamaica, but poor Jamaica so little that them can't add tariffs to US. Because listen, US are talk about drugs going between the border of Mexico and Canada, but things like guns coming out of America into these little countries. Guns no make a Jamaica. Only them handgun who were made whatever it is. But all these guns coming from the US to Jamaica. And it is disgusting. It needs to be stopped. But how is the Jamaica government going to stop it? Me wonder if that man don't know that gun is something we kill. Or him thinks maybe it's toys that people give children at Christmas time. During a press conference following the incident, officials expressed their relief at the successful interception of the shipment, but also warned of the ongoing threat posed by gun trafficking. Jamaica has historically struggled with high levels of violent crimes, much of which is fueled by illegal firearms. The connection between the influx of weapons and the increased violence has long been a subject of concern for both law enforcement and the general public. How are we going to stop it? How is Jamaica going to stop all the illegal drugs? The illegal drugs that's passing through. It's like drugs for guns. How are they going to do that? Each new case of firearm trafficking reinforces the urgent need to more robust border security measures and interagency cooperation at both national and international levels. In the wake of this bust, the man was charged following a question and answer session with investigators. I hope him enjoy General Penitentiary Hotel. The legal process is now underway and the man is being represented by this attorney, which I'll leave his name out. The legal team has not publicly commented on the charges as of yet, but the upcoming legal proceedings are sure to attract significant media attention, especially given the broader conversation about gun control and safety in Jamaica, and not only Jamaica, within the Caribbean. Crucially, the incident involved this man serves as a case study in the complexities of gun and trafficking and the differences of controlling illegal arms flow. It raises pressing questions about the efficacy of existing firearms law and the need for reform to address the growing challenges posed by both domestic and international trafficking networks. Many advocates argue that more stringent regulations are needed to prevent the kind of situation that led to the bust, which others maintain that effective enforcement and community-based solutions are equally essential for reducing gun violence. Now, the thing is this. What is really the shortcomings and the downfall of Jamaica is that them catch this man. And I bet you the buck going to stop right there. They're not going to try to find out in link and who him talk to, or who him make promise, or who him pay off. 2, brave enough to put guns in a barrel and ship it to Jamaica. And him bright enough to go a wharf to go claim it. Moreover, involvement of heightening gun trafficking. It's not purely a law enforcement issue. It reverberates through the fabric of society. Families living in a high crime rate often find themselves caught in some circle of fear and violence, exacerbated by the easy availability of firearms. The psychological impact of such an environment can be profound, affecting everything from community and coercion to individual mental health, all sorts of something. The ongoing disclosure about gun control has also fueled debates regarding civil liberties, which some calling for greater restrictions on firearm ownership, while others argue for the right to bear arms. Guys, in conclusion about this thing where we Jamaicans, we try to mess up abroad and we mess up a yard. I mean, most of us are good people still. The arrest and charges against this man. A crucial moment in the ongoing conversation about gun trafficking and its ramifications in Jamaica and beyond. The successful interception of a significant quantity of firearms highlights the importance of vigilance and coordination among law enforcement agencies. However, it also revealed the urgent need for comprehensive ways to address the root cause of gun violence. This incident serves as a reminder of the challenges that lie ahead and what the government is going to. The government have a hard task. The Prime Minister himself have a hard task. How they're going to curve all this kind of thing when it's beyond international border? Easy. As the legal proceedings unfold, the eyes of the public and policymakers will keenly focus on the implications of this case for future arms and control and public safety initiatives. Anyway, guys, if you watch the video this far, just kindly make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share. And we should all be concerned about the guns going into beautiful little Jamaica. Guys, see you back here on my next YouTube video.